Hey guys, I want to show you just how easy it is to clean, wash, and coat your car with our Defy spray and 2 microfiber towels. So we're going to start on this fender, and we're going to do one panel at a time. We're going to lightly mist Defy onto the surface to get nice even coverage of the coating. We're going to take our wet microfiber towel and simply just wipe off very lightly all the dust and dirt and contaminants to make sure everything is all removed from the finish. And we're going to take our second microfiber towel and then lightly buff to a high shine. And that's all you need to do. You repeat this over the whole vehicle and the car is clean, coated, protected, enhanced, and super shiny. Now this is no gimmicks. This is our advanced ceramic formula with our Insta-Bond technology. And what that means is you can clean your car now easier than ever while giving it a ceramic-like coating protection that repels water like crazy.